Let's take a look how I made this melting and dripping text animation here in Adobe Firefly. Alright, so I'm going to go with this text as a reference. I also tried out with a simple stroke text, but this one is going to come out flat. So if you want to know how to achieve this intertwine effect, I'm also going to leave a link in the description with this tutorial as well. So let's go to Firefly. I'm going to select image, click on generate. Let's go to aspect ratio, change it to widescreen. I'm going to select photo, and let's go to the reference image, click on upload image. Select the text, click on open, continue, and let's increase the strength all the way to 100. Scroll down, and I'm going to select the hyper realistic. Let's go to lighting, select studio light, and I'm going to go to the prompt and type in text made of pink plastic material with hard polished surface floating isolated on black background, and click on generate. And from here, I'm going to select the ones that I like. If you don't like none of them, just keep on generating until you're going to get the final result. So I'm just going to generate some more. So after a couple of generations, I think this one came up perfect. So I'm going to click on download. And let's go back to Firefly. And now we're going to go to the image, change it to video, click on generate. And here pretty much all you need to do is select the widescreen. For the motion, I'm going to select the static. And let's go here to the frame, click on upload frame. And I'm going to select the generated image, click on open. I agree. And all you need to do is go to the prompt and type in text made of pink plastic material isolated on black background dripping. And click on generate. Alright, so let's see what we got. Click on play. And as you can see, we don't have the same exact results. So last time I used the same exact prompt and it basically made this perfectly dripping text. So basically this is the problem with AI, it won't generate the same thing over and over again, unfortunately. It's not like a software. So I'm gonna try out another attempt with a different prompt. I gotta go with maybe isolated text, dripping on black background. And I'm gonna delete this, generate. And we got results. I don't have any hope for this. Let's see what we got. Alright, so this is better. Maybe I'm gonna go with text stays on screen. Dripping, and I'm gonna go with black background. Click on generate. And I think this is gonna be the last. Alright, so we got the third try. Let's see what we got. Interesting. Okay, well, that stopped right there. So anyway, it's a work in progress, but I'm gonna show you a last prompt. And we're gonna go and type in text made of pink plastic material, isolated on black background, melting of the screen. Generate. And let's see how the last attempt looks like. Nah. I don't know what is going on, but come on, bro. What is this? That is a no-no. Well, I cannot use any more generations because, you know, it's expensive, so...
A few moments later.
After a while, also another prompt idea just came up. And for this prompt, I used text position still with few bigger drips, a dripping down. So yeah, these are some of the prompts. You can test them out, see what you get, and see you on the next one.